Most people think their credit score is controlled by banks, but in reality, small hidden actions decide everything. Your credit score is not just a number, it is a system built from your daily financial behavior. Right now, negative marks and missed strategies are silently holding your score back. But inside your credit report, there are hidden opportunities most people never notice. Understanding how your accounts work is the first step to taking back control. High utilization quietly damages your score, even if you pay on time. Reducing your usage percentage instantly sends positive signals to the system. Making multiple small payments can be more powerful than one large payment. Timing matters more than people realize, and early payments boost trust. Errors in your report can lower your score without you even knowing. Fixing just one mistake can unlock a sudden increase in your score. Using credit wisely does not mean using all of it. Keeping accounts active but controlled shows stability to lenders. Every smart action creates a chain reaction inside your credit profile. Increasing your credit limit can reduce your risk level instantly. Lower utilization means higher confidence from financial institutions. Tracking your score regularly helps you understand what actually works. Longer credit history builds trust over time without extra effort. Closing old accounts can damage your progress more than you think. Smart decisions always win over emotional financial actions. A strong credit profile is built on balance, not just activity. Having different types of credit shows lenders you can manage responsibility. Even a small secured account can start rebuilding trust in the system. Every on-time payment adds another layer of strength to your profile. As your balance decreases, the pressure of interest slowly disappears. Not all credit checks are equal, and understanding this protects your score. Too many applications in a short time can signal risk to lenders. Strategic patience is often more powerful than quick decisions. Being added to a strong account can instantly improve your credit history. Sometimes the biggest improvements come from fixing what is already wrong. Removing negative entries clears the path for growth. As your report becomes cleaner, your score naturally rises. Automation removes the risk of forgetting important payments. Consistency is more valuable than perfection in the long run. Avoiding missed payments is one of the most powerful strategies. Different payoff methods can change how fast you eliminate debt. Focusing on high-interest balances saves money and improves your position faster. Balancing usage across accounts creates a healthier financial image. Not every account needs to stay open, only the right ones. Time and discipline together create unstoppable financial momentum. Not every offer is worth accepting. Smart selection protects your future. Lower interest rates become available as your score improves. A higher score does not just look good, it saves real money over time. Approvals become easier when your profile shows stability and control. Better credit opens doors to larger financial opportunities. Lower rates reduce your long-term financial burden significantly. Consistency is what keeps your progress secure over time. A strong system can handle unexpected financial pressure without damage. Most people stay stuck because they never change their habits. But smart strategies create a clear path forward. Reaching a high credit score is not luck. It is a calculated process. At this level, money starts working in your favor. Access to premium benefits becomes part of your financial life. Stable growth replaces financial stress completely. Managing multiple accounts becomes simple when you follow the system. True financial control comes from discipline, not income. Past mistakes lose power when corrected with the right actions. A clean and optimized credit profile becomes your biggest asset. Everything aligns when your financial behavior becomes intentional. And once you understand the system, you are no longer controlled by it.